Hello, let me show you what you can do in order to try to fix always on display not working on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first thing that we need to do is open settings and let's go to lock screen and AOD. Then let's tap on always on display to find the details. The first thing that you can try to do is enable show lock screen wallpaper if it's disabled, and this might be the reason why AOD is not working. If you have downloaded and applied a custom AOD, like an AOD theme from the Galaxy themes, then for some reason, for example, the theme might be outdated and this can cause issues. So you want to switch to the wallpaper, and then of course you want to confirm that you want to remove the custom AOD that you have applied before. Now, if this doesn't help as well, the another thing that you can do is to go to when to show. And here you might want to, for example, set it to always at first to see if the AOD is working at all. So if you set it to always, whenever you lock your phone, AOD should come up. So let's take a look. If I lock my device, that immediately jumps to always on a display. So this is how we can see if AOD is working or not completely. Now, if it is working actually, then, and it should work at this point, so the next thing that you can do is switch to something else if you don't want the AOD to always show up when you lock the screen. So you can choose something else like tap to show once again. So then if the screen is locked, if it's dark, then you can simply tap on the screen in order to show always on display. And if that doesn't work, just try any other method that might be convenient to you. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.